What's up, YouTube? It's Eli, and I'm coming to you guys again with another video today. Today, you guys, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm just gonna be unragging and showing you guys my 9-week wolf update. I'm gonna show you guys how my hair look. Then I'm just gonna, give you guys a nice brush session. So stay tuned. You guys, and that is the end of the video. And the reason why I did this video, you guys, is not only to show you guys my update on my 9-week wolf, but also to motivate some of you guys to brush. And I know as wavers, and sometimes we get lazy, or sometimes we get unmotivated to brush. Sometimes when you go on Instagram, or you go on Facebook or YouTube, you see your favorite YouTuber or your favorite waver in general just brushing their hair, and sometimes that motivates you to go brush your hair. That is the reason why I made this video, so just in case somebody is scrolling through YouTube and they find my video, hopefully, and that motivates them to pick up their brush and brush with me. As always, you guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. It really helps me. My channel has been growing a lot lately, and you know, I appreciate all you guys. As always, if you like this durag or any other durag that you see me, you know, using my video, I'll leave that in the description with my coupon codes so you can get a discount. And as always, you guys stay wavy.